animal hospital with Freddie, Alex, and Freddie's brother. We're not fairies! We're just animal hospital characters! In the room that's lit up red with the little flashing red thing. But Vinny's already treating them.
He's also a fairy.
What are you doing? I suppose, what are you doing to him? I definitely didn't do the same thing in my other animal. This little video.
His name is Haru.
Right, next.
Cookie.
Whoa, you can't say that. You can't say.
Alex, don't give them her. I'll give him some ivy. I told you that I was doing it, Sonny.
No patience.
Patience treated. Yes.
Oh, and by the way, I said please be employee of the. I didn't do anything. Okay, Vinny got it.
All he's done is rob me.
Why have you done that? No. Oh yeah, it's an anomaly. Yeah, shot them.
Let them in.
No, have you seen what they are doing? Look at their head. It is like glitching out.
The head's normal. This guy's definitely normal. Let him in.
No, we need to look at the cameras. We need to check everything first.
His name is Tamago Cow.
Stop it! We don't know. Stop! We don't know if she's an anomaly.
I checked the security cameras.
Why is the photo not loading? Mo is good. What are you on about? Right, off you go, Vince.
He doesn't know the cameras. No, he's doing professional.
Yeah, don't doubt we're professional. It's Ron from accounting! Don't shut the shutters on Ron from accounting. Wait, I need to head to the view.
How can I only carry 3 medicines? Oh, I only have 3.
Room 1. Room 1. Patient in room 1. Run from accounting.
I saved his life. He's covering.
Blue Ron. Good. Microwave R. We need cream and whatever. I've just cream. Boom! The good one from accounting.
One from accounting.
Yes.
This guy's
What? Yep, go away, sir. You want
I'm
another?
gonna give him a transplant. gonna get out. I'll let you get out.
Womp womp, go and cry about it. Another anomaly, 2 in a row is crazy. Everybody, I apologise for the amount of noise coming from the call right now. Who did that? Alex, 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 Alex. You just killed someone. Okay, that's ridiculous.
No,
it's Barney. Barney is definitely not a mass murderer. Barney is definitely not a mass murderer.
Matter, Bobby. Bobby, on our round doesn't matter. We can get a second copy mystery.
Holy! No! He's an anomaly. Why did you let him through? Why did you let him through? Alright, we're screwed. We're screwed. Does anybody have a taser? Does anybody have a taser? Oh no. Hello. Monster. I swear, it wouldn't put it. I wouldn't put it past Alex to just walk in there and get killed. But Bo has left the call, so we can't talk to him. I mean, like, who would walk into? No, 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 no. Yeah, who would possibly fall into there? That is such a noob of anybody who does that. This on PC is hard. It's not a skill issue, it is low-key hard. Right, I did it. This guy's probably going to start a satanic ritual after this. Right. Patient in room 6. Pink, pink, blue. Pink, pink, blue, blue. There we go. Da, 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 da. Right, we need maple syrup, medicine and IV drops in room 6.
I got maple syrup. Why is he Canadian? Why? No, it's Russian.
Have a great rest of your day, Miss Non-Binary. 2 people died. 2 people died today. I still don't think Alex realises he's not in call. Is there anything we need? No. What are you doing? Stop it. 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 No! Stop it! No! No! Screwed. We have a taser. Oh, brilliant! Oh my days, look at the state of him! Why would you hit me with a taser? You're like, no! I'm out. Bye. You do your own thing. You should not have a taser. Right. Well, I'm not gonna look up. No. You know what? This is ridiculous. Don't let him through. I don't know what I'm doing. They're like, oh, I need coffee so bad. Right. Oh wait, should I give the coffee to Barney or give it to myself? Right. Why would I do that? Now I'm dead. That's it, I'm dead now. Ah!